Hi guys. Most men try to talk their way into respect. That's exactly why they never get it. Respect doesn't come from your words, it comes from your presence. And by the time you're done with this video, you'll know exactly how to trigger instant respect in women without ever saying a word. Most men never figure this out. And if you're ready to make sure you never fold under pressure again and instead become the man women automatically respect, grab my book Attraction Secrets. The link is in the description. You've been told that being nice earns respect, but that's not true. Women don't respect nice, they respect authority, composure, and control, things you show before you ever open your mouth. Number 1, posture of command. The way you stand tells her everything about you. When you slouch, when your shoulders collapse forward, when your hands are buried in your pockets, she feels nothing but weakness. But when your shoulders are back, your chest is open, and you move deliberately, her instincts fire. She reads you as safety, stability, and strength. Number 2, controlled pace. Every movement you make communicates something. Fast, jittery movements scream insecurity, but slow, controlled movements tell her you're sure of yourself. Imagine two men walking into a room. One rushes, one takes his time. The man who moves slower always feels like he owns the space. When you slow down your movements, picking up a glass, crossing the street, walking into a meeting, you project control. Number 3, eye contact that holds. Respect is tested the moment she looks at you. Most men break eye contact way too quickly, and in that instant, they lose authority. When you hold it steady and calm until she looks away, you create a power imbalance she feels in her body. She realizes that you're not the one seeking approval, she is. Number 4, calm under pressure. Unexpected things happen all the time. Noise, interruptions, awkward silence. A lot of guys twitch, fidget, they laugh nervously, they overreact, and that's when respect dies. When you remain calm, composed, and still, her biology codes you as safety, and safety is the one thing women can't ignore. Number 5, minimal gestures. The weaker the man, the more he moves his hands when he talks. The stronger the man, the more controlled his gestures are. Every movement is deliberate. Every expression is measured. When you cut out the nervous filler and only move when you intend to, your presence becomes magnetic. Number 6, own the space. The man who shrinks in the corner never commands respect, but the man who naturally expands, whether he's standing or sitting, signals authority without a single word. Feet planted, shoulders open, arms relaxed. It shows you're not apologizing for existing, and that subtle dominance makes her take notice instantly. Number 7, silent resistance. Here's where a lot of guys completely fold. When a woman teases them or tries to provoke them, they feel the need to defend themselves, explain themselves, or laugh it off. But that's weakness. The man who doesn't entertain her, the man who lets her test hang in the air, forces her to feel the imbalance. Sociologist Irving Goffman, known for his work on social interaction, explained how status is maintained by controlling stage presence. When you don't take her bait, you force her to play on your stage, and that's real power. Every man wants respect, but most try to buy it with words, jokes, or validation. Rare men know how to trigger it without speaking, and those are the men women follow instinctively. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start leading, grab my book Attraction Secrets. It breaks all of this down so it becomes second nature. The link is in the description. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye!